Hey guys, Mrs. Sears here. I'm going to show you how to do our STEAM challenge for September. September's STEAM challenge is to create a banned book secret message. To do so, you're going to need banned book pages, a lemon, a paper bowl for your lemon juice, and a Q-tip for writing. The first step is to choose a banned book page and then think of a secret message. So I'm going to go to my banned book pages here and see if I find any that really speak to me and that warrant some type of secret message. So maybe this one where Harry is receiving his invitation to Hogwarts, and since he's with the Dursley family and they don't really want him to receive the message, I feel like this would be a good place for some type of secret message on the invitation. Maybe I'll say, "We're coming to save you," as my message. I'm just gonna start brainstorming in this page. Step 2 is to squeeze lemon juice into the provided paper bowl. Take my lemon out of my bag and just squirt it into the paper bowl provided and try and get all the juices out. It's gonna look something like this when you're done. So if I go to step 3, I have to dip my Q-tip into the lemon juice to act as my pencil and then write my secret message on the book page. You may want to keep your message short depending on amount of lemon juice available. So I got a good amount here. I'm gonna write, "We're here to save you." Okay, so I've waited for my lemon juice to dry and now I'm going to heat it with the blow dryer. Now you can see the start of my message appearing on the paper.